Thank you for taking the time to fill out the last page's form with your email address. Because you did, I'd like to take a few moments to tell you about a genuine opportunity to learn a high-paying skill that has the potential to alter your life: affiliate marketing. One of the most prevalent issues I see today with new beginners of affiliate marketing is that they have no idea how to make money online properly. And what's worse, it's not even their fault, because no one is telling them what they're doing wrong. The reason for this is that they're usually trying to learn for free on YouTube from people who unfortunately leave out most of the important information or don't even know the information themselves. Most people get irritated when they go onto YouTube and try to learn all of these different strategies from so-called gurus but still don't make any money online. Then they get even more discouraged because they've watched so many different strategies on how to make money online from so many different people that they don't even know where they went. This is because you're learning from folks who only know how to make money in the short term because they've never been able to make long-term sustainable income online. These YouTubers genuinely can't show you how to do it. And I know all of this because I've been spending months trying to learn on YouTube for free how to make money online. I did exactly what I just told you. And you want to know what happened after watching all of the best ways on how to make money online? I earned a wonderful and spectacular $0. I wasted so much time and effort. So what I'd like to do now is to show you a way that you can just jump right past all of that fluff and get straight to the point where you learn how to build a high profit, long-term, and sustainable online income. Let me introduce you real quick to my personal mentor, Dave Sharp, and his 15-day online challenge. Dave isn't your typical coach. He's generated a 9-figure income just through affiliate marketing. So it's fair to say he knows exactly what he's talking about. Dave teaches you the #1 secret to developing a high-paying online affiliate marketing business inside the 15-day challenge. Dave quickly teaches you the key business models and how to build a solid foundation within the 15-day challenge. He uses beginner-friendly, easy-to-follow steps to help you build an income-generating online business so that you can start making money right away even if you have no previous experience. I did the 15-day challenge myself, and thanks to that training, I was finally able to learn the skills I needed to launch a thriving online affiliate marketing business and start my journey and become my own boss. The nicest part about this course is that you only have to pay $7 to join. You will have permanent access to it and be able to refer back to it anytime you need help or guidance. Since this is Dave's course, he truly knows everything there is to know about it, and I believe it's best if he presents it to you. So before you decide whether or not to go ahead with this, think about it. Please take a moment to click the link somewhere on this page that will take you to the free presentation by my mentor, David Sharp, where he'll give you an inside look at the 15-day challenge. Last but not least, if you have any questions about the 15-day challenge, I'll be sending you an email in the next few minutes to follow up with you. So all you have to do is reply to this email with any questions you may have about the 15-day challenge, and I'll be happy to help you. So thank you for sticking with me through this video, and I can't wait to see you again inside the 15-day challenge. Finally, just remember to believe in yourself and take control of your life. You can do it. Don't build someone else's dream. Build your own.